Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Jingïalang ka plakot Pulom da Deputy Commissioner jo ka East Jaiñtia Hills District, uba FM Dop, hapdeng ka Joint Action Committee jo ginong nyatrong, bat ki bor Pynïaid jo ki Karkhana, ki berana popot usam jo ka East Jaiñtia Hills District, ban yapen bet yakador baikit mar thamai. Kam shimlalong ka basay so, hadien bagi nong Pynïaid jo ki Karkhana, ki lakar nga ban pedang ya kini jing penbena bala penmi da ka sorkar jela, ling bakat na transport, haka khatlai tarik kula lengkot arajar arpo. Kini kinong Pynïaid jo ki Karkhana, ki lakar nga aru ban pedang, ya kini kecing penbena juga sorkar halor kanong rim bakim dan bor setia ban syupriang gumtu klaim de pentep shwa syaki bor bahalor jongki hadin kini kecing pensngau jong kini nong Pynïaid jong ki Karkhana nakaliang jong Deputy Commissioner ula aipor ru shitayo yi kinong Pynïaid jong ki Karkhana bakin ajing tep no marmar halor kini kecing penbena bala penmi dak sorkar syaki bor ki bahalor jongki
hajing itu kini ka Jingïalang na ini wah ini gede isi iwani ne ini to yoluti yo bisi mumbai ya gini ka dor goda ega sarkar daga navigation goda ega sarkar lado khatlai tarit na January arjar arpau andre katile gajing itu tete hado nele menjadi pembaik nilai sulak nilai lamitin di sulong pagi saya sini jadi Jaiñtia andre ini itu ini wah hidup tipe gini kan nuk isan daslam tangre hado naik kesini menjadi pembaik ya gini menjadi betan neli yang ikut jadi itu ini kerpati ya ke sarkar wah genu benta to umho persor ikat kamu ai genu nugisan kwa uya bengkrek kam gismen factory ka degni ladam kam te kamu ong gitnai gi perlok kam banse lada likhi ile uyap lada mikhi uyap ineleng yang gitrok iworok ateriksa bekang ya kang no luding kat mpu bat kini gijing iklam hado nai yauti yang tu yo wani ini tu yo pembat kanu ke kerum keram nai yo uya yang mana saganu gijing wa meniahap jemut kini yo to yo pun yo pelaibat iga yauti agati tu yo igaran nai gue tu kursiau si wa menjo igarai wa biang ta deu buram no disi da eu gelat waci Citiau, apa citiau orang uyu ya, pembat ugismen factory we. Kani watok gawe, kajeng boleh se de ikut ismen factory muan kita. Nagawi cakap ke por ikut meeting ki jawab respon ki menjawab wan ki. Ketik tok kajeng nga bawa ini. Boleh sahado bawa ipok citiau pembat henry naliang disi bawa citiau pembat bawa gini ka semen factory bawa mandakut iki uyu pembat bom yo baki bom wan ge ketetok nga duwi bo gejeng kado kamte gini gejeng yaki imbu ya ka phang kejeng itu ni dugite na dogar pat yo yiki trai gari woro hi nyawa ikan bu yo bat kini kerum keram iudang lai ger chma gibar jelale dewi krelang siapa krelang itu le made manu ulut wa ge ni jini to ni ne ba yo pembaji ga kerum gramoro yo pembaji andre lada gini gisman plan ki lut malut ki andre muan go jini kalam dewa stop ki woro igalut yo wan go jini kalam yo wan go jini pembaji ketika stop kwa umi ga huri hura kwa ganu ikwa dui song sandan ni yo kwa yo labat ki kre yang ni dugute hi jengmut yang ni am hi jengmut yang ni wato umut usatraj umut kanu ga isu itu gemut gani gemut ba yo bat kini ga ki kre yang
we all with my members attended the meeting. Problem was this is only because of this notice issued by the government, because this was not a clear notice. Therefore what they have mentioned about the 9 rupees etc. They had this is was up to the highest here. This was not nothing had been mentioned on them. They understand this is the price of the cement per kilometer, which is not clear. However, today's discussion was very good in cordial manner, and DC has advised us to sit with them after 2-3 days for the discussion, and accordingly after the discussion with our company's senior persons, we'll again sit down for the discussion.
But today you have not decided anything about the new rate of transportation.
So far it has not been decided. Again we are telling this question of the decision, because we are telling if this is 9 rupees is not the price is been fixed by the government. This is the highest price, which is, and after that we have been also told after that this is a negotiable price. After that negotiable price, which accordingly we are talking with them. Definitely when next meeting we'll sit down, we shall request them. Time to time, previously also we were discussing price, increasing the price, timely price, etc. And in comparatively, if you compare with other states, Meghalaya price, because of the hills area, we are giving more if you compare with this thing. Prices from this nearer distance definitely remain more, and prices with the long distance will be lesser. That we can't say 100% correctly, because what information we are gathered from the diverse, etc., from the different source, which we cannot say. However, sometimes obstruction of the vehicle, which is true, my plant vehicle is also obstructed, other vehicles also obstructed, they are not the different places. Actually, they had given the pressure to all the owners of the transporters, etc., who are sitting over there, their people, not to place the truck, etc., otherwise they obstruct them. And we told them, no, we will not, we will continue our dispatch because of the benefit of the Meghalaya. Because if the cement will not get reflect on the prices of the heavy prices increases in Meghalaya. Accordingly, we had requested the government, and they have also agreed to help us if something has happened in the law order situation. Somebody has stopped your vehicle, we will help you. 2 days they were ostensibly the transporting at different places. Also 2-3 drivers has been assaulted also, which they have also condemned that incident, and they told us that this we will apprise, inform to our members also not to do this type of these things. No, we have already requested them, and they have also agreed. Yes, they will not disturb our dispatches.